Today what we're doing is replacing a starter. I think this is 2016 VNL. We got this directly from the Volvo dealer just because they had it in stock. That's your part number. I think it set us back about 300 bucks, which is crazy because it got you a little bit better brake, but they didn't. So maybe there's a core, I don't know. But we're gonna get straight into it. Pretty simple job, although it kind of tight in there in some spaces. Definitely not as bad as say load leveling valve or anything like that. But pretty common tools. You're gonna need 3/4, 12 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and I think I took some of the screws off, or some of the nuts off with like an 8 millimeter, I think. But then looking back at it now, I didn't even have to take those off. So we're gonna jump straight into it. Alright, and then this last one back there, it's on the very top. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that one. I believe I'm probably gonna need a pretty long extension with a swivel head on it. So let me knock that out real fast. this is the old one, and this is the original one that came out of it. It still worked. It was just sluggish, and the guy said he wanted to change it out, so that's what we do. But other than that, if anybody wants one gently used, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll get it hooked up to you. But no, in all seriousness, that was pretty much it from start to finish. Not a whole lot of talking, just because it's not very much involved in it. Obviously you can see, that's why I was glad to get this out. So you can see this is where it goes in. It's actually mounted up with these 3 studs right there. They just go through. They are 3/4, or at least that's what I used. Didn't have any issues other than with the ratcheting wrench. It was too thick. So everything else, pretty much replace it and stick it on there. Okay, so I just wanted to show that's how the final everything hooked up looks. All right, so you've got 3, I believe it's 2 grounds, and then you've got the 1 power wire. They run to that first terminal there on the left. That second one is not used by anything other than the actual starter itself. It's got something running it. So you want to make sure you've got the 2 big cables going into the first one, and then the ground as well. Okay, so those are the only 3 that you've really got to be concerned with. As long as you've got those, it should start right up.